a RottenDog WPC95 power driver board where C11, the one with the silver top, had exploded for the same reason that C11 explodes on WPC89 driver boards periodically. There is a way to connect connectors from J118, 117 and 18 incorrectly to J107 and 108. And when you do that, it creates a feedback loop through the 20 volts power. And the result is that C11 dies. This one apparently died pretty spectacularly. So I am going to put this on run and close the coin door switch. You can never hear that diverter hold thing. There was the rest of the coils. Ouch! Knocker got me. Come on, Chris. Here we go. Okay. Checking to see that we get a flash lamp go off. And I don't expect to find any issues here because the issue was not with any of the drive circuits. It was with the power circuit. Check GI though, just for giggles. Working correctly. Boy, trying to do this with my left hand, it's not working. Let's do all lamp test. Let's see the beauty of an Attack from Mars playfield. This is an original. When I bought this game, I didn't realize it was an early prototype because the stroke of luck hole is colored orange. It's worn off here because you can see I've got quite a bit of wear at the SOL hole. But I'm going to replace it anyway. It's just nice to have a prototype. Here we go. That is it. I'm going to do the best thing now that I get to do when I repair a WPC95 board. Is play some Attack from Mars. Thanks for sending it in.